हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस। आज हम जिस पर्सनालिटी के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, ये पर्सनालिटी मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। प्लस जब हमारा फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल की बात आती है, उस एस्पेक्ट से भी एनी बेसेंट मैम के बारे में पढ़ना काफी जरूरी रहता है। एंड ऑन दिस पर्सनालिटी देयर हैव बीन मेनी क्वेश्चंस रिपीटेडली दैट हैव बीन आस्क्ड इन द प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन। सो दैट इज व्हाई वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट इन शॉर्ट अबाउट एनी बेसेंट मैम, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स एंड important pointers about this personality from prelims perspective। जो भी आज तक prelims में पूछा गया है वो सारे points हम cover करेंगे। When we talk about Annie Besant ma'am, she was born as Annie Wood। इनका जो original नाम था ना, वो था, write it down, Annie Wood। That was her original name। Okay, यहाँ पर लिख लो original name। Later on, she married Frank Besant and that is why her name became Annie Besant। She was born in 1847, 1st October 1847 को इनका जन्म होता है। And she was born to William Burton Purvis Wood। Okay, इनके जो पिता का नाम था, उनका नाम था William Burton Wood। Okay, now it is said that Annie Besant ma'am, she joined the Theosophical Society and she became a very well-known lecturer on the subject of Theosophy। She traveled to India as part of her theosophical work। Theosophy subject जो था वो थोड़ा सा mysterious और mystical subject था। unraveling the aspect of the universe that was related to theosophy। जो occult होती है ना, occult practices, वो सब theosophy में पढ़ाई जाती थी या आप बोल सकते हो चर्चा की जाती थी। Now it is said that in 1898 she assisted in the founding of Central Hindu School, which was later renamed as Banaras Hindu University। तो 1898 में बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी की स्टैब्लिशमेंट में भी एनी बेसेंट ने काफी हेल्प की थी। इनिशियली इस यूनिवर्सिटी को सेंट्रल हिंदू स्कूल के नाम से जाना जाता था। Now, Besant was a staunch supporter of Irish independence. Not just Irish independence, she was a very staunch supporter of self-rule। स्वराज की बहुत ही ज्यादा staunch supporter रही है एनी बेसेंट मैम। तो आयरिश में भी आयरिश सेल्फ रूल की भी इन्होंने बात की है। एंड शी ऑल्सो टॉक्ड अबाउट इंडियन सेल्फ रूल। शी वॉज अ सपोर्टर ऑफ इंडियन सेल्फ रूल एज वेल। And it is said that she began to doubt her religious views as well। She went so far as to criticize the Church of England। She was a feminist, political and religious activist, which caused her difficulties in the society as well। And she worked for intellectual equality, secularism, women's rights, contraception, workers' rights। She was particularly opposed to the church interfering in people's lives। She was a feminist, political and religious activist। She was a philanthropist, orator, writer, educationist, theosophist, women's rights activist, champion of human freedom। She did not like anybody to interfere in human rights। कोई भी human rights में interfere करे ये इनको पसंद नहीं था। She was well known for, she was a well known speaker for National Secular Society also। तो सेक्युलैरिटी के पक्ष में थी ये, नेशनल सेक्युलर सोसाइटी की स्पीकर भी रही थी एनी बेसेंट मैम। अनअकैडमी हैज लॉन्च्ड मिशन ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 360 डिग्री कवरेज बैचेस फॉर यूपीएससी सीएसई मेंस 2021। It will be a 70 hours course for 360 degree coverage of current affairs in a very crisp and effective manner for your upcoming prelims 2021 examination। The batch will be divided into 3 different parts as per the language preference। We have an English batch also, we have a Hindi batch also, we have a bilingual batch as well। In this 70 hours course batch, we will be covering multiple sources of current affairs like the newspapers, the Hindu Indian Express, PIB, PRS, government websites, budget, economic survey, India yearbook, etc। We will be covering all of these current affairs resources comprehensively in this batch। This batch is starting from 1st of September, that is tomorrow। कल से ये batch start हो रहा है। So make sure that you take your subscription today। The links are given below in the description box। You can also use Arpita10 code to get 10% discount on your plus subscription। आपको आपके plus के subscription पर Arpita10 कोड यूज करके 10% का डिस्काउंट भी मिल रहा है। तो आज ही सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि 70 आवर्स के इस कोर्स में हम पूरा 1.5-2 साल का करंट अफेयर आपको कवर करवाएंगे। तो आपको इधर उधर किसी पीडीएफ, किसी मैगजीन के पीछे भागने की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी। Now, when we talk about Annie Besant ma'am, we know that she was a fantastic public speaker who often traveled extensively। Now, it is said that she met Helena Blavatsky in 1889 and then she converted to Theosophy. Now it is said that from 1907 to 1933, Annie Besant ma'am served as the president of the Theosophical Society. Write it down, president of the Theosophical Society, TS. At Banaras, Annie Besant ma'am founded the Central Hindu College. Madan Mohan Malveji and Annie Besant ma'am, both of them collaborated to create the Banaras Hindu University in 1916. Years are very important. And this Central Hindu College was the first constituent college of Banaras Hindu University. Okay. She also became a member of Indian National Congress and she also requested that the government should take measures towards self-government. In 1916, Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak, they formed the All India Home Rule League. The league was the first Indian political party to call out for self-rule. And unlike the Indian National Congress, which met only once a year, the All India Home Rule League operated all the year. Local branches of the league organized public speeches, gatherings and demonstrations, etc. Now it is said that Annie Besant ma'am died in Adyar in South India in 1933 at the age of 85. So this was the most important aspect of Annie Besant ma'am. ये था एक बहुत ही important aspect Annie Besant ma'am की personality का और उनके काम का. Annie Besant's life was a whirlwind of operation. She used to very actively participate in the freedom movement, for freedom struggle of India. She also demanded for self-rule in India, that is Swarajya. तो ये थी important information and important facts about Annie Besant ma'am. ये make sure कीजिएगा कि ये years जो है ना वो आप भूले ना, इनको लिखकर रोज रिवाइज करना है. Important organizations भूलना नहीं है, ठीक है.